Oh no.
Inside.
Oh no.
And all the
Oh Christ. Holy. They could have fucked you up hard.
Yeah,
Sorry,
wow.
language.
Wow.
What the f...
Yeah, like brakes feel fine in there, you know? And then... I don't know, bro. I'll start by taking that front bearing off. So the problem we're having with this bad boy is that I was riding it and then it started making some weird noises and giving me some death wobble, and then the brakes stopped working. So that was kind of scary. I'm suspecting that one of the forks is like fucked and it's not evenly doing suspension, and then the whole wheel tilts and then it's pushing the brake calipers, the brake pads out and the caliper, and then because you can pump it back up with the brakes and then it starts working again. So I don't know, but it's fucking scary. I just want to get it diagnosed. It's so hard to tell, everything's covered up by these fucking fairings. It's out my choice of footwear.
That's good.
Thanks, bro.
Bootleg Crocs. Get the borrow the parts tray.
I'm just gonna put them back in.
Won't get the borrow the parts tray.
Either I'm putting them in or I'm putting them in a bag. I'll probably put them in a bag actually, so I don't have to take them out again when I want. What the fuck would you call that? Mud guard? I don't know. Joel, take note.
Literally take note.
Literally, yeah.
Take note of part.
Oh, that'll be it, bro. Something ain't fucking right at all there.
Oh, how it's like come out?
Yeah.
Of your wheel?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's real bad. I don't know exactly what.
Oh yeah, there's a huge gap up the
It's
top.
like my bearing is...
Yeah.
I don't know how the fuck that would happen. Oh well. Hopefully that's not too expensive. There we go. Oh, I better take the front wheel off. I don't know, bro. I'm not quite thinking it. Oops. So that didn't seem right. If I take this off right here, it's going to be stuck outside. So I probably shouldn't. Probably do it inside.
Hold up, bro. This sounds like you're not gonna fix it today.
No, I'm just like, I don't know if that's something that's fixable right now. I might need a new part. If I need a new part, then I gotta leave it, you know? Okay, there's no front brakes. See what I mean? It's real hard to push. What fucking size is that? This size.
Not this again.
It's this size.
You're stealing your own jokes here.
What do you mean? You can't steal your own jokes. Okay, I only want to reassemble it. So. Then whatever. That also works. Why is this one so hard to get out? It's just like. Sweet. I'll be able to pull it out from there. We got baited, brother. Fuck. So dumb. Oh, my wheel bearing exploded. Take a gander at this, bro. She's fucked. Wait, hold on. You get fucking hell, bro. Oh, bro, it's like gone. That's fucked. Oh well, that explains it. It's not the shock, which is good, because I didn't want to take that out.
Yeah, that's like the cheapest fix, I think, out of all the components you've just touched.
As long as I didn't damage the rim or this. I mean, I just need to inspect this actually. Looks pretty good. I'll actually put this in there so I remember how it goes. It's going to be a little bit difficult to get out, I think. And I probably damaged it in a tube. Whoa. That's fucked. Yeah, that was... I guess the ball bearings fell out and then they were just rubbing on that, which is just aluminium. Because I was like, how the fuck is it making... And like when I pulled over, I couldn't see anything wrong. And like I can see why. If I don't need a new rim, I don't see why I can't just replace it. I should probably get the bearings out anyway. Where's my good bookshelves? Wow, that's real rusty. That was close to going as well. These definitely needed done. Like badly. Okay, well I'm glad like none of that got damaged. That's really fucked on the inside though, holy. I haven't the Joel's dead blow hammer. It's literally a dead blow hammer now. Get a little bit of heat into it. I have no idea if that's actually... Am I even on it or am I just on the fucking groove? I think it's coming. That's real fucking hard to get on there, bro, but we'll make it work. Oh, I think that might actually be the lip. Yeah, I don't actually know if I can hit the actual bearing, wow. Because one side has a lip and one side doesn't. Maybe this is the side without the lip. It's so hard to see, bro. There's just like no light. It's so annoying. Can't even see how I'm like on it, you know? Really did a number on that. Holy. I just can't see. Only 50 degrees. 140. It's fucking hot in there, bro. It's cooking my hand. What's that? Oh, that's it. That does not look good, bro. Wow. Oh, fuck, that's hot. It's fucking hot, bro. See if I can get that other one out now. I'm gonna actually heat up the rim maybe a little too much. Obviously, yeah, it's paint, so it wasn't perfect paint anyway. And it was misbehaving, it was all rusty.
So is it even possible to screwdriver it because it's just the outer race? Like, is it able to get on it?
It's really hard. As long as I'm careful, I think I can actually get on it. Those clicks, they're like real loud clicks you hear as it moving. That's the right one. If you hear a click, that means it's moving. That is fucked. Yeah, I don't know like how bad that is. Oh well, cool. That's good progress though. I actually don't know if wheel bearings is all I need or if I need, like, if this is damaged, you know, I don't know. That's real good progress though. Thanks Joel for the hammer.
Yes, he's fixing his bike. See, you're not tired, mate. That was lies.
I'm tired.
I'm hearing excuses. You're turning into Jono.
I'm doing stuff.
Okay, yeah. What's wrong with it?
Wheel bearing exploded
Oh no.
inside.
Oh no.
And all the little ball bearings like wore that out.
Oh, they gouged that shit out.
Yeah, so here's
crikey.
here's my bearing.
Right, time to go to TCS.
And here's the other side.
Holy. That could have fucked you up hard.
Yeah,
Sorry,
wow.
language.
Wow!